This book swept me away. Like, I started reading in a calm sea of water, doggy pedaling, minding my own business, and this huge wave pulled me in and I got swept away into the Pachinko ocean. Hi everyone, my name is Grace and I am a librarian here at McAllen Public Library, and today I am going to bring you book 9, eAudiobook of the day. And this one is called Pachinko by Min-Jin Lee. It is an epic historical fiction about 4 generations of a Korean family. It starts off in the early 1900s with a very, very poor family in Korea, and they have a daughter named Sunja. Things happen and she ends up moving to Japan, and it basically follows her life, her children's life, and her grandchildren's life, and it spans all the way until around 1980s. During this time, real life history is also happening, which is like the colonization of Korea, Korea splitting into 2 different nations, North and South Korea, and also World War II. It is a tale of hope, sorrow, suffering, chance, luck, and love. It's basically real life. The author weaves history and human life so seamlessly that I actually had to Google to see if it was based on a true story. It's not. I could not stop reading this book. I remember reading it and I finished reading it in the afternoon the next day. This book was amazing. I cried. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I hope you check out the book yourselves. Let me know in comments if there are any books that you've read that you just could not put down, and maybe I'll read them and recommend them. Same drill, follow, subscribe, like, and comment. See you next week. Bye.